Hisense, refrigerator, water and ice not dispensing, interior lighting not working fix. If you purchased the Hisense Pure Flat 25.6 cubic feet featuring 4-door smart French door refrigerator and noticed that the dispenser won't expel water or ice and the interior lighting isn't working, the magnet sensors may have been incorrectly installed after removing the refrigerator doors to navigate a narrow entryway in your home by the installer. Magnet sensors notify the control board when the refrigerator doors are open or closed. When the magnet sensors are improperly mounted, the interior lights and the dispenser will not function correctly. Do not attempt to reinstall the magnet sensors yourself. To maintain warranty coverage, consult an authorized and licensed installer for magnet sensor installation or repairs. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your refrigerator. Caution: the refrigerator is heavy. Have someone assist you with your home appliance to help prevent product damage or personal injury. Take a moment to see what tools are needed. Before you begin, pull the refrigerator out enough to unplug it from its dedicated wall power outlet. Turn off the water valve that connects to the refrigerator. Unplug the refrigerator from its dedicated wall power outlet. Use a ladder to access the hinge cover at the top of the refrigerator. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the following 5 screws. Take a moment and become familiar with the components beneath the hinge cover. Water supply line and wire connection assembly. For this video, we'll start from the point where the refrigerator door wire connections and water line are being reattached. Using a Phillips screwdriver, mount the ground wire with the Phillips screw provided into the far left hole of the black plate. Connect the main wire harness. Secure it by placing it into its receptacle. Secure the plastic shielding around the wire harness. Insert and fasten the wire harness in its holder. Connect the water supply line to the water line tube fitting by firmly pushing it into place. Secure it by placing it into its receptacle. Secure the red locking clip to the collet of the tube fitting, as shown. Note: the next step is crucial to the operation of the water, ice dispenser and interior lighting, and the reason for this video tutorial. There are 2 magnet sensors, one for each door. We'll start on the left side and make our way to the right. On the left side, mount the magnet end of the magnet sensor into its receptacle as shown. If the magnet sensor is loose or improperly mounted, the control board will not detect when the refrigerator doors are open or closed. Proper placement of the magnet ensures that the dispenser and lights will function properly. Connect the magnet sensor wire harness. Connect the 2-wire door switch to the terminal block. The terminal block can connect with any of the 2 red wires. Secure it to its clip. When finished, the magnet sensor and terminal block connections should look like this. After completing the connections on the left side, pause the video and compare your setup to what's shown. Moving on to the right side, mount the small environment sensor into its receptacle. Connect the environment sensor wire harness. Now mount the magnet end of the magnet sensor into its receptacle. Connect the magnet sensor wire harness. Secure it to its clip. The magnet and environment sensor installation should look like this. Once complete, double-check all connections to ensure they are fastened properly and securely in place. Reinstall the hinge cover. Push the door switch inward to set the hinge cover correctly. Once properly set in place, reinstall the hinge cover using the 5 screws previously removed. Plug the refrigerator back into its dedicated wall power outlet and turn on the water valve. Push the refrigerator back into its cavity. The control panel and interior lights should be functioning properly. If the aforementioned suggestions do not help resolve the issue, please contact Hisense support.